Welcome students to 10th ICSE probability second lecture. In the first lecture, we dealt with what is the formula of probability, how to find favorable outcomes, how to find probability, and what are the sample space of one coin, two coin, and three coins when they are tossed. Now in this video, we'll be learning about deck of 52 cards. In front of you, there is a screen where I have arrangement of 52 playing cards. Basic idea is, students, see the first row is red, second row is black, third row is red, fourth row is black. In one row there are 13 cards. So we have first 13 red color diamond cards, then I have 13 black color club cards, then 13 red color heart cards, 13 red color heart cards, and then 13 black color spade cards. So to conclude, we have 26 red cards. See the cursor, 13 diamond, 13 heart. And we have 26 black cards. See the cursor please, 13 club cards and 13 spade cards. Okay. This diamond card is called as one suit. This is suit of club cards, suit of heart cards, suit of spade cards. So total there are 4 suits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now every suit has some things common. See this jack, see my cursor, jack, queen and king. This jack, queen and king belongs to red color diamond cards. This jack, queen and king belongs to black color club cards. These three belongs to red color heart cards and these three belongs to black color spade cards. So I can say in one suit I have 3 face cards because there are face on this. 3 face cards in one suit. So there are total 4 suits. So 3, 3, 3, 3 comes to 12. 3 4s are 12. Total there are 4. Total there are 4 suits, and in each suit I have 3 face cards. So total I have 12 face cards. 12 face cards. Okay. And to be more precise, I can say in red color. See the first row and the third row. In red color, I have 2 jack, 2 cards of queen and 2 cards of king. So I will say, if I say red color, then I have 6 face cards, 2 jack, 2 queen and 2 king. Similarly in black also I have 6 face cards. Okay. Next, can you see this number 2 written here? I have 2 up till 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 is not written here. So this card starting from 2 to 10 are called as numbered cards because number is written on that card. Okay. So in one suit we have 9 number cards. Second suit also 9 number cards. Once again 9 number cards. In fourth suit also 9 number cards. So 9 fours is 36. So in all I have 36 number cards. If somebody asks you how many number cards do red color diamond have? So red color diamond has 9 number cards. How many number cards are red in color? So answer will be 18 because 9 are here with diamond and 9 are here with heart. Okay. Important point here is, students, this first card is called as ace cards, ACE. These cards are not called as number cards nor they are called as face cards. So I have 2 cards of red in color. This is red color diamond ace card. This is red color heart ace card. See the cursor. This is black color club ace card. This is black color spade ace card. So total I have 4 ace cards. 2 in red color, 2 in black color. Hope you all understood this. You don't need to copy any of these things. What you need to copy is there on the screen. The next slide. Okay, students. So to conclude our discussion, I have something on the screen. See here, total I have 52 cards. 2 suits of black color. So I have 13 spade cards 13 club cards. 13 becomes 26. So total 26 black cards I will have. 13 diamond cards and 13 heart cards. 13, 26. So total 26 red cards I will have. Okay. In every suit, let's first consider spade wala suit. Spade is always black in color and club is always black in color. Similarly, diamond and heart are red in color always. I have one king, one queen, and one jack. So these three cards are called as face cards. Okay, one ace, which is neither number card nor face card, and 2 to 10 numbered cards where numbers are written. So they are 9 cards. So total 13 cards we have in one suit. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, and these 9 cards. So 13 cards. Similarly, everywhere we have the same bifurcation. See the cursor, 13 cards, 13 cards, 13 cards, 13 cards. Okay. I have made my own question which has all possible doubts which you can encounter in the future. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Okay. So what's the story? There is a deck of 52 cards. I close my eyes and I put my hand to remove one card. Find the probability of getting, first sub question, a queen of red color. Okay, so when I closed my eyes and I picked up one card, what is the probability that the card which I picked out is a queen of red color? Is the queen of red color. Okay. Students, before starting with the actual question, whenever you see any question which deals with a deck of 52 cards, जब लिखा हो pack of 52 cards or a deck of 52 cards, the first thing you will do is you will write a sample space. Sample space denoted by capital S is a deck of 52 cards. So n of S, number of elements in your sample space is 52 because we have 52 cards. Now, as you know from my previous lecture, that whenever certain things are asked, we make events. So first thing is we need to get the probability that the card drawn is a queen of red color. So how will I write? What will I say? Say this in front of you. Let A, capital A, be the event. This colon means be the event of getting a queen of red color. Okay. Now students, with the red color part, I have written certain notes here. This notes you have to copy it, but it's fine if you don't write this in exam. It's upon your wish. If you write, then also it's fine in exam. And if you don't write, then it's also fine. But now to understand in the notes, you have to write it. Total, I have 26 red cards. Understand this in very carefully. From this 26 red cards, if I bifurcate, we have 13 diamond and 13 heart. So that's the reason 13 plus 13 became 26. In this 13 diamond card, I have only one queen card. Okay. And here also in this suit of 13 heart cards, I have only one queen card. And now once again, let's read the question. What is the event of getting a queen of red color? So they want total number of queens. We can say total number of queens which belong to red color will be coming in my favorable outcomes. So total we have two queens. See the cursor in red color. One from diamond suit and one from heart suit. So n of A, number of elements belonging to our event is 2. Okay. Hope you all are understanding. Question था event of getting a queen of red color. चाहे वो क्वीन डायमंड से आए चाहे वो क्वीन हार्ट से आए, उसको उससे मतलब नहीं है, उसको रेड कलर क्वीन चाहिए. सो बोथ कैन satisfy my query. So I took one queen of diamond because diamond has only one queen, and same from hearts. So total two queens are available with me, which belongs to red color. So n of A means number of elements in my event A upon number of elements in my sample space. 2 upon 52. 2 came from here and 52 is the sample space. 1 upon 26. Okay. Now let's move to the next question, students. Next question is unnumbered cards. मतलब what is the probability that one card which randomly I am drawing, it is a numbered card. उस पे number लिखा है. They have not mentioned कि कौन से color का, red या black कोई भी चलेगा, but they want a numbered card. Okay, let's see the answer. First, we'll make the event. Let B be the event of getting a numbered card. Now, once again, students, can you see all these things written with the red color? This is the note which you have to write. But I will say this is not necessarily the part of the solution. Total we have 4 suits: heart, diamond, spade, club. Please see my cursor. Heart and diamond belongs to red color. Spade and club belongs to black color. In every suit I have two 9 numbered cards in every suit. So 9 number cards in heart, 9 number cards in diamond, 9 number cards in club spade, 9 number card in club. So total number cards I have is 36. Okay, so can I say we want any number card? So let's move with a solution. There are total 4 suits, and in each suit there are 9 number cards. This you have to write. Therefore total 36 number cards. Therefore n of b, number of elements in a set B, is 36. Probability is n of b upon n of s, 36 upon 52. You'll reduce the fraction and you'll get 9 upon 13. Okay, moving on to the next sub question, students. See on the screen. We want the jack or a queen of hearts. Understand the meaning of this or. I'll translate in Hindi. From a deck of 52 cards, I am removing one card. अब वो कार्ड चाहे जैक होगा तो भी चलेगा, या तो वो कार्ड क्वीन होगा तो भी चलेगा. ठीक है, तो आइदर इट कैन बी जैक और क्वीन ऑफ हार्ट्स. कोई भी जैक नहीं चलेगा. आइदर वो जैक होगा हार्ट्स का तो चलेगा, और क्वीन होगा हार्ट्स का तो चलेगा. मतलब वी नीड टू फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी कि वो एक कार्ड जो ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं, तो क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी कि वो चाहे जैक ऑफ हार्ट हो या क्वीन ऑफ हार्ट हो, दोनों में से कोई भी चलेगा. लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन. Let's see with the event of getting jack or queen of hearts. See, I have made a red color box and I have written plus. और का मतलब होता है plus. We need to add both the outcomes. Both the sets को merge करना होगा, plus करना होगा. In the suit of hearts, there is one jack card. And same, we have only one queen card. And they have told me that they want either jack or queen of hearts only. कुछ भी चलेगा. So one jack will do of heart and one queen can also do of heart. बीच में plus because or was mentioned. So total 2. So this 2 is the number of favorable outcomes which satisfies my requirement of set C. Okay. Probability of C is n of C upon n of S, 2 upon 52, which comes to 1 upon 26. Always make a box on your answer. Now let's move to the next question. What we want, let's see. Sub question 4, a diamond or a spade card. मैंने एक कार्ड निकाला 52 कार्ड्स में से, and that one card, what is the probability that one card is either a diamond card or a spade card? दोनों में से कुछ भी चलेगा. Students, how many diamond cards we have? Yeah, we have 13 diamond cards. How many spade cards we have? We have 13 spade cards. And बीच में plus है, तो plus मतलब sorry, बीच में और है, and और मतलब plus. Yes, I know you can easily solve. Pause the video and solve it. It's very easy. Yes. So there are 13 cards from diamond suit, 13 cards from spade suit, 13 plus 13, 26. And you can easily get the answer. Next question, students, in front of you. A card is drawn from a deck of 52 cards. Same question. When I read this, I will not read further, but I will first write the sample space. A deck of 52 cards, so n of s is 52. Let's read the question. Find the probability of getting, the first sub question is 5 of heart or diamond. Okay, listen carefully. वो बोल रहा है कि one card I am removing from a deck of 52 cards, and what is the probability that वो one card जो निकाला उस पे number 5 होना चाहिए. Of course 5 is a number card. उस पे number 5 होना चाहिए. And it will do that if that 5 will belong to heart card or that 5 belongs to diamond card. But 5 होना चाहिए, चाहे heart का हो चाहे diamond का हो. So very first thing will be, I'll make the event, let A be the event of getting 5 of heart or diamond. Or means plus. So see here, पूरे heart के suit में I have only one card on which 5 is mentioned, and पूरे diamond के suit में I have only one card where 5 is mentioned. So 5 of heart and 5 of diamond. I will merge both the things because or is written. So n of A is 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Now let's find the probability. Probability is 2 upon 52, 1 upon 26. Let's move on to the question to see the sub question 2. What is the probability of getting, see my cursor, ace and king card? Students, this is the first time we come across with this word and. What does this and means? ठीक है, they want either ace card. I'll not use word either. Ace and king, if I translate in Hindi, तो ऐसा कार्ड चाहिए कि जो एस भी हो एंड किंग भी हो, दोनों साथ में होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा कि सिर्फ एस हो जाए या सिर्फ किंग हो जाए. यहाँ पे और नहीं है, यहाँ पे वी हैव एंड. लेट्स सी द आंसर. इट्स एन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. Let B be the event of getting ace and king. Now see what does and means. Note down this thing. And means common. And means common. That means ये properties दोनों में होनी चाहिए. ऐसा कार्ड हो जिसमें एस भी, जो एस भी हो एंड जो किंग भी हो. अरे students, it's not possible. To see what I have written, but it's not possible that any card is ace as well as king card. Therefore, number of elements inside B is 0. Hope you know this, that this becomes an impossible event. हर वो event जिसके अंदर 0 elements होते हैं, कोई element उसके अंदर आ ही नहीं सकता है, जो कि possible ही नहीं है, so that event is called as an impossible event. So probability of B is n of B upon n of S, 0 upon 52, which is 0. Students, let's move to the third sub question on the screen. See my cursor, please. A red and a king. Once again and आया है, but अब कुछ अलग condition है. The case is कि I am drawing a card and that card should be a red color king card. दोनों होना चाहिए, और नहीं है बीच में. Red भी हो and king भी हो. तो क्या possible है कि red भी हो और king भी हो? Let's first make the event. Sub question 3. Here we have the event. See, let's see be the event of getting a red and a king. And means common. Now students, understand this. We'll have two cases first, just to explain you. Red cards. If I say red cards, who all come in red card? We have 13 heart, we have 13 diamonds. There are two suits, 13 heart, 13 diamond. Both are red in color. So total we have 26 red color cards. Okay, students, this is an important scenario, very important question. Next, king cards. If I speak about king cards, total king cards कितने होते हैं? Total king cards are 2 red color king cards होते हैं और 2 black color king cards होते हैं. To be more precise, ये 2 red king cards कहाँ से आते हैं? One red king card comes from heart and one comes from diamond. From here, 2 black color king cards, one comes from spade and one comes from club. So total 4 king cards available होते हैं. Now see the scenario. But we want cards which are red as well as king, because and is mentioned. See my cursor. वो red भी होना चाहिए और king भी होना चाहिए. मतलब in other words वो क्या होना चाहिए? See my cursor. Red color king card. Red color king card. So set C में who will come? There are 2 king cards which are red in color. ऐसे 2 ही king cards है जो red के सूट को, जो red color में belong करते हैं. To be more precise, वो कौन से होंगे? एक होगा रेड कलर का किंग कार्ड हार्ट का, एक होगा रेड कलर किंग कार्ड डायमंड का. तो ये 2 किंग कार्ड ऐसे हो गए, 2 किंग कार्ड व्हिच आर रेड एज वेल एज किंग. सो 2 एलिमेंट्स. सो नाउ प्रोबेबिलिटी यू विल फाइंड. प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 2 upon 52, 1 upon 26. Okay, now let's see the last sub question, students, on the screen. Fourth one, a red or a king. Now something different is there. See, it's important. Here we have और मीन्स हिंदी में चाहे रेड कलर होगा तो भी चलेगा और किंग होगा तो भी चलेगा. ठीक है, तो और है मतलब एक कार्ड जो आई एम रिमूविंग वो रेड हुआ, देन ऑल्सो आई एम सेटिस्फाइड. कोई भी रेड हुआ, 26 रेड में से कोई भी रेड हुआ तो भी चलेगा. और किंग हुआ, कौन सा भी किंग हुआ, चाहे रेड किंग हो या ब्लैक किंग हो तो भी चलेगा. लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट आई विल मेक द event of getting a red or a king. Because or is there, we will merge two. See your students, this is very important case, very important. Understand it very carefully. How many total red cards we have? 13 heart cards, 13 diamond cards. Both the suits, if we add, we have 26 red color cards. How many total king cards we have? We have 2 king cards of red in color, to be more precise, one from heart and one from diamond, and 2 king card of black color, one from spade and one from club. Comes up to 4 cards. Okay. Now students, see here on the screen set D, which is asking that either red cards bhi chalenge or king cards bhi chalenge. So if in the set D, I'll consider all red cards. I'm considering all red card plus all king cards because उसमें दिया है. See, I'll show you once again. यहाँ पे word or is mentioned. Any red card will do and any king card will do. So see the first line. I wrote here. Once again, students. All red cards plus all king cards. Students, when I say all red card, it comes up to 26. But I want you all to read this. See my cursor. Please, this is very important. I have marked a star. But in this 26 cards, 2 kings of red color are already included. ये 26 cards में 2 king card red color के already included है. And in sets, duplicacy is not allowed. कोई एक एलिमेंट 2 बार रिपीट नहीं हो सकता है. तो यहाँ पे जो all king cards है, there are total 4 king cards, but here I will not take 4 because 2 red king cards are already included in this 26. So now I will just consider 2 king cards of black color. Here students make mistake and they by mistakenly write 4 here, but here 2 will come. So 26 plus 2 comes to 28. So now let's find the probability. N of D upon N of S, 28 upon 52 reduced by 2, and we will get 7 upon 13.